Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we are diving into a countdown of the best-selling fuel tank cap products on Amazon. These fuel tank caps are top-rated by customers, combining quality, durability, and value. Without further ado, let's get started.
Number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling fuel tank caps on Amazon is an impressive choice. The gas cap, fuel cap for Honda, and Acura models. This isn't just any gas cap. This is a meticulously engineered piece of hardware.
Introducing the 4th best-selling fuel tank cap on Amazon. A versatile and reliable choice for Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler enthusiasts. The gas cap. Fuel cap for a wide range of models from these iconic brands. Imagine the convenience and peace of mind that comes with a product that's been 100% rigorously tested before shipping. This gas cap is compatible with a variety of Jeep models, from the rugged 2003 to 2018 Wrangler JK to the trusty 2003 to 2006 Wrangler TJ, and extends to other favorites like the Cherokee, Compass, Liberty, Grand Cherokee, Commander, and Patriot. Yes, you heard that right, spanning model years from 2000 all the way to 2018. But the excellence doesn't stop with Jeep. This gas cap also fits numerous Dodge models. Whether you drive a Ram 1500, an Avenger, a Grand Caravan, a Journey, a Caliber, a Charger, a Challenger, a Dakota, a Dart, a Durango, or even the nostalgic Neon, this gas cap has got you covered. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your fuel tank, ready to serve in so many different vehicles. And let's not forget Chrysler. From the sleek 200 and 300 to the classic Town and Country, the Pacifica, and even the Sebring, this gas cap is designed to seamlessly integrate and perform flawlessly. Why choose this gas cap? Ease of installation and high reliability are just the beginning. It's a direct replacement, so no need for complicated modifications. Simply check the part number, confirm compatibility, and you're good to go. In the rare instance that you're not completely satisfied, the generous return policy ensures you can send it back for a full refund within 30 days. So, for an easy-to-install, highly reliable, and extensively compatible fuel tank cap that promises peace of mind, look no further. Fuel your journey with confidence. Number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling fuel tank caps on Amazon is the versatile gas cap, fuel cap for Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and even Plymouth models. This gas cap is designed to meet the diverse needs of a wide array of vehicles, ensuring you can find the perfect fit for your car. Now let's talk compatibility. Whether you drive a 2000 to 2020 Dodge Ram, a Chrysler 200 or 300, a Jeep Wrangler JK, or even a Plymouth Neon, this gas cap has you covered. The sheer range is impressive, spanning decades and models. From the rugged Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500, to the sporty Dodge Challenger and Charger, and even the versatile Jeep Wrangler, this cap fits them all. It's like a chameleon, blending seamlessly with whatever vehicle you drive. But what about quality? This fuel cap doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Made from high-quality materials, it undergoes 100% rigorous testing before shipping. You can rest easy knowing that each cap is inspected and tested multiple times to ensure durability and reliability. It's constructed for long-lasting performance, a direct replacement that's easy to install. Imagine the peace of mind this brings. No more worrying about compatibility or durability. This gas cap is engineered to perfection, promising excellent function with every use. Whether you're cruising in a Chrysler 200, tackling tough terrains in a Jeep Grand Cherokee, or enjoying the classic ride of a Plymouth Breeze, this gas cap is your perfect match. And let's not forget the ease of installation. It's a straightforward process. Simply check the part number, confirm compatibility, and replace your old cap. No fuss, no hassle, just seamless integration into your vehicle. For those seeking a high-quality, reliable, and versatile gas cap, look no further. Fuel your journey with confidence, knowing this gas cap has been crafted to meet the highest standards of excellence. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling fuel tank caps on Amazon? Well, fuel up your excitement and be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so your tank never runs on empty. Next up, at number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling fuel tank caps on Amazon, we have the Godboy gas can spout replacement kit. This product isn't just a simple nozzle, it's a game changer for anyone who regularly handles fuel. Imagine the ease and convenience of having a flexible pour nozzle that fits most 1/2, 1, 5, and 10-gallon gas and oil cans. This 5-pack kit ensures you always have a reliable spout ready to go. The design is all about making your life easier. Each nozzle attaches securely to the opening of compatible cans with a threaded fitting. What does that mean for you? A leak-proof seal during pouring and transport, giving you peace of mind every time you handle fuel. Durability is key, and the Godboy gas can spout replacement kit delivers. Made of durable plastic, these nozzles are designed to withstand repeated use and exposure to gasoline, oil, and other fuels. They won't crack or break, no matter how often you use them. This is a product built to last, offering you reliability and longevity. When it comes to storage, this nozzle has you covered. The flexible spout can be bent back against the can when not in use, making it compact and easy to store. Plus, each nozzle is colored bright yellow for easy visibility, ensuring you can always find it when you need it. Mess-free fueling is now within reach. By controlling the flow, these nozzles allow you to pour fuel precisely into the tank or container, avoiding spills and keeping your work area clean. No more mess, no more hassle, just precise, controlled fueling every time. In summary, the Godboy gas can spout replacement kit offers easy pouring, secure fit, durable construction, convenient storage, and mess-free fueling. It's the ideal solution for anyone looking to streamline their fueling process and keep things clean and efficient. Make your fueling tasks simpler, cleaner, and more efficient with the Godboy gas can spout replacement kit. Fueling has never been this easy. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the pinnacle of our countdown, the #1 best-selling fuel tank cap on Amazon. Introducing the gas can spout replacement kit, a versatile and indispensable tool for any fuel handling task. Picture this. You need a reliable spout that fits most 1, 2, 5, and 10-gallon oil cans. Look no further. This kit provides not just 1 but 2 white spouts, ensuring you have a backup ready to go. But that's just the beginning. The package includes 4 threaded collar caps, 2 coarse thread and 2 fine thread. This thoughtful inclusion ensures compatibility with a wide range of gas cans, with an internal thread size of 1/3/4 to 1.7 inches. Before purchasing, remember to measure your oil tank mouth size to guarantee a perfect fit. Crafted from high-quality HDPE materials, these replacement parts offer exceptional durability. The spouts are designed to bend freely without breaking, a testament to their robustness. Additionally, the thicker and widened rubber gaskets provide a snug fit, preventing any liquid leakage when refueling. No more spills, no more mess, just clean and efficient fuel transfer. Now let's talk about the anti-overflow design. The spout tube and cap are threaded, featuring a rubber sealing ring inside. This ensures a tight seal even during transportation or if the tank is overturned. The newly upgraded coarse thread gas can spout cap reduces the cap height, ensuring a complete seal. No oil overflow, no matter the situation. Versatility is key. This kit includes 2 types of gas can vent caps. The first type is for oil cans without a vent. Simply drill and install for immediate use. The second type replaces old vent caps on cans with a vent at the tail. This kit covers all bases, offering a comprehensive solution for your fueling needs. Installation? It couldn't be simpler. Each set includes 4 screw collar caps, 2 white spouts with rubber gaskets, 2 nozzle caps with threads, 2 types of gas can vent caps, and even the drill bit required for installation. Should you need any assistance, our dedicated customer service team is ready to help, ensuring you get the most out of your purchase. In summary, the gas can spout replacement kit is the epitome of convenience, durability, and versatility. It's a must-have for anyone serious about efficient and spill-free fueling. Don't settle for less. Choose the best. Fuel your endeavors with confidence and ease. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling fuel tank caps on Amazon. To stay up to date with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.